Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to set guys three button in Vivo phone guys. You can see guys in our phone guys there is no any button. Why I have to use like that my phone. So as you want to set guys three button navigation, so as you can set it. So let's see how to set three button navigation in Vivo phone. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting, then guys click on the system setting, guys click on system navigation, and guys click on three button navigation. So guys now you can see guys now we have buttons in our Vivo phone. Then guys you want to back, you can back from here. Then guys you can use your phone easily. So I hope friends you have understood how to set three button navigation in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.